And welcome to my channel REKHA'S RASOI. Here's where we chase flavors. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. An age-old adage that comes to my mind every time I see apples. But did you know that apples can also turn their naughty side up and allure you into making those exotic apple smoothies, apple melange, and also innumerable apple delicacies like apple pie, apple pudding, apple fritters, and the simple and sweet apple jam, muffins, cakes, and whatnot. Today I am going to make apple puffs. It's really yummy and the caramelized apple filling just melts in your mouth. So come join me in my kitchen while I make those super tasty apple puffs. I have taken 300 grams of all-purpose flour or Maida and we need to knead it into a soft dough. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'll leave the list of ingredients in the description box. You can check it out from there. It's 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon sugar. We just give it a mix. Now we'll add in water. This is 110 ml of water. And we'll also add in the vegetable oil. I've taken 75 ml of oil. Now we'll give all this a mix. Now we'll cover it and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now for our second dough, I've taken 130 grams of all-purpose flour or Maida, and to it we'll add 80 grams of butter. Now we'll mix everything. You don't have to add water or anything. The butter and the Maida will suffice. Our second dough is ready. Now we'll keep it aside for 30 minutes and now we'll go on to the next step. Now we'll prepare a cornstarch solution. For that we'll take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. To it we'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix. This is the consistency that we require. Now we'll keep this aside and we'll start with our apples. I've taken 2 apples. These are approximately 450 grams. You'll need to cut them into cubes and then we'll go on to the next step, which is cooking our apples. Here goes the apples. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. And let the apple cook in this butter. Now we'll add in 60 grams of palm sugar. Now we'll add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon lime juice. Now we'll cover the pan and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now we'll add the cornstarch mixture. And we'll cook till it thickens. Now our filling is ready. Now we'll keep this aside and let it cool, and we'll go on to the next step. We have divided both the dough into 8 equal parts, and now I'll show you how we'll roll them out. We've taken the larger dough, and just like how we do in the parathas, make a pocket. Put the smaller dough inside it and just lock it. Now we have to roll it lengthwise. Now start rolling it from one end to the other. Now again we'll repeat the process. Again we'll roll it lengthwise. Now roll it from one end to the other. This is how it looks. Now we'll do the rest of the dough in the same way. The rolls are ready. Now we'll start filling them. We'll just give it a roll. Cut them into half. Now just make it flatten it. Just flatten it. And now, like the parathas, we roll it out. The middle portion should be thick. Now we'll fill it with apple mixture. And seal it. You can do it with a fork. Now we'll fill the rest of the rolls and get ready for frying. Now we have filled each of the rolls, and now they are all ready to be fried. We'll get the oil heated and ready. Oil is sufficiently hot. Now we'll start frying. Now we'll take it off. Now we'll take this off and do the rest of it. There, we are done with the frying. Our delicious apple rolls are ready. I'm sure you would want to try them out. This is definitely worth a try. And for now, this is REKHA'S RASOI signing off. Until we meet again with another recipe. Bye bye.